Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens. This is episode 13 of Gardening Without Edits. And if you're in California like I am, you're experiencing a lot of rainfall right now. But I'm going to show you something that many people might not be thinking, but it will be very beneficial for these certain plants. Let me swing around. It's getting your house plants outside and enjoying that rain, flushing out all those, typically chemical fertilizers that they're used. I mean, you can use organic as well, but, my family complains if it smells like fish and seaweed in the house. So most of these are chemically fertilized and a little bit of organic fertilizer mixed in. This is the perfect time to get fresh rainwater to wash off the leaves, to flush through the soil and clean out all the salts that could be in your water or in that synthetic fertilizer. This is a pineapple. This is a 3-in-1. It's a bromeliad, snake plant, and a ZZ plant. This is the coffee tree. Fiddly fig. It looks like this because when it was growing up, we have it next to our kitchen garbage can, so the lid closes and opens and kind of munches on it like Pac-Man. I propagated these myself from this plant. You can see it's getting too long and old. These pothos, golden pothos, are propagated from that. Take a look how beautiful this is. And spider plants. And, I forgot the exact name to this. Ooh, good thing I have the tag. I think it's dragon or something. I forgot what it was. Dracenia? Good thing I left the tag on it. Beautiful plant, though. Tough. I forgot to water that one time for 3 weeks, and nothing really happened to it. I mean, obviously, it probably suffered a little bit. But, again, perfect time to get your houseplants outside and enjoy some of that fresh air, fresh water, and doggy companionship. Happy gardening, everyone.